Hello and welcome to the Adam Vale YouTube channel with Max on another video. And for all you budding TikTokers out there and makeup artists and whatever else you can use it for, this is a...
You could use it for YouTube maybe.
Use it for YouTube. This is like a tripod thing. There will be a link below to Amazon. This is a light up tripod type thingy that I don't understand because I'm not young enough to be involved in all this modern technology. We're going to unbox this, see what's inside, and then we'll get it set up with Max's phone and see if we can get a demonstration going. So this is the main frame with your USB lead that will connect to your phone. There's a screw down there. There's a couple of different tripod settings you can have it on. So there's a bigger sort of tripod it will sit on there, which is probably what we'll attach to. There's a couple of bits here as well. There's that bit. There's all these bits we're not sure because the instructions...
This bit you probably plug in.
Yeah, things plug in and screw in. The instructions give you 2 or 3 different ways of having it set up. So we're going to look at just trying to set one up for you. The instructions aren't great. They're quite small and tricky to follow. For me, anyway. That's not for everyone. It's just because it's so small to see the instructions. But there's various different things you can have, and there's all your colour guides once you've got that remote bit here plugged in. So let's see if we can get it set up. Max will give me an hand putting it together. So we've got it set up. Well, Max got it set up. What I will say to start with, that tripod, see we've put it on, had to put it on a tea towel. That bottom tripod is probably the worst one to use as an example because it's not the sturdiest. However, Max has got himself set up. Do a demonstration then. Changing colours.
If you double tap it. Wait.
There's various different features where it does little patterns like that. So if it's night time, which maybe we should have filmed it at night time, what you also get as well is a remote for your phone to do your selfies and to click your thing.
Like a rainbow one.
And that's all the different colours. So without that sturdy tripod, didn't think that was very good. Yeah. So there's the picture of the one on the box if that light's coming out properly. It is bright though. It's very good. It's a very good setup. But I'm not too sure about that bottom tripod. I couldn't work out how that one went. But anyway, it's set up and it works. So it's going to be an ideal little extra Christmas present. Like I said, link below on Amazon. Say bye, Max.